At noon, a Sacramento City Council member is taking steps to address a rise in hate crimes in the city. City Councilmember Mai Vang joined Mayor Darrell Steinberg as well as other city leaders this morning in condemning anti-Asian hate and also resolving to fight racism as a city and community. It comes after repeated incidents of anti-Asian racism, violence, and hate in Sacramento, including an incident last week at a butcher shop where a man left the mangled body of a cat in the parking lot of the shop.
The last year has been very, very difficult, and it is now escalated, unfortunately, to this level. Asian Americans have always been talking about what's been happening to us. We just needed you to listen. We need our elected officials to listen. We need change.
Crimes targeting Asian Americans have climbed significantly since the pandemic began. Nationwide, more than 2,800 cases were reported between March and December of 2020. Nearly half of them were reported in California. Most incidents involve verbal harassment, but many also turn violent.